We all like our food in this house, but I think David likes it a bit more than the rest of us.
If nobody else wants this, I'll have it.
David, honestly, where do you put it?
You're such a pig.
If you're not careful, you'll put on weight.
He's already flabby.
No, I'm not.
Apparently Simon used to be quite fat.
I'm not flabby.
He keeps very fit now. He goes to the gym 4 times a week.
Gyms are so boring. I play tennis. At least that's competitive.
You used to play tennis.
I don't have the time now. Anyway, Julia thinks I look good.
Yes, but will Julia still think that when you're like a balloon?
£150 a month and £500 to join. Actually, it's not really what I'm looking for. Thank you, bye. Unbelievable. Oh, hello. I'm interested in joining your health club. Could you tell me how much it is, please?
You're what?
I'm going to have a workout this evening.
Where?
At the new fitness club.
Isn't that expensive?
It is, but they offer a 5-day free trial period.
Free?
Yeah.
Oh, David, you're terrible.
What's terrible about that? Anyway, I'm starting this evening, so I'll meet you as soon as I get out.
What time will that be?
I don't know yet. Might do a long session. But I'll give you a call when I finish.
And then we're going for a drink.
Absolutely.
Okay, over here we have the weight machines and free weights. Now, you use these to build up your muscles and to increase strength. Over here we have the row machines, the exercise bikes and the treadmills. Now these are good for CV exercise.
CV exercise.
Cardiovascular, aerobics. You use them to increase your stamina, to give you more energy.
Right.
Now, I want you to do 10 minutes on each machine. Do you think you can manage to do that?
Yes, I think so.
Okay then, let's start.
Thank you. Hi.
Oh, hi, David.
Hey, what is it? A taxi. Why did you let it go?
But don't you want to walk into town? It's much better exercise. Come on.
So that was the end of David's 5-day, or should I say 1-day, membership of the health club. He never went there again. Last Saturday we watched a horror film. Some of us found it really frightening.
She's going to go down the stairs. Oh, no! Don't do it! Why is she doing that?
It's a horror film. People always do stupid things in horror films.
I can't watch this. What happened?
He killed her.
Really?
Oh, the mother shot it. What a load of rubbish.
It's not a a load of rubbish. It's good fun.
And it was very well made.
That's just what I was going to say. Thank you.
Who wants coffee?
Oh,
Yes,
yes,
please.
please.
Simon?
I'll get it.
I wouldn't go in the kitchen if I were you.
No, no, Simon, don't. The ghost.
Oh, yeah. The ghost. Ooh.
Actually,
What?
oh, nothing.
What, David?
Well, there might be a ghost in this house.
Where?
In the kitchen.
What kind of ghost?
The ghost of a dog.
Don't be silly.
It's true.
I don't know anything about this.
Well, before this house was built,
When was this house built?
About 120 years ago. Go on.
before this house was built, there used to be an old cottage here. An old man lived in it, and he had a large black dog. And everywhere he went, the dog went with him.
It never left him.
How do you know all this?
One of the neighbours told us.
Anyway, the man was killed in an accident. A new family moved into the cottage, and the dog was taken away by the old man's sister. But that very first evening,
Yes.
the dog went back to the house and started howling.
What happened then?
The owners chased it away, but it kept coming back. Every night they chased it away, every night it came back and howled.
And then?
Well, not long after that, the cottage was destroyed by a fire.
And this house was built 10 years later.
So where's the ghost?
Well, when they were building this house, they found a skeleton of a large dog in the cellar.
And the neighbour says that sometimes, late at night, a dog is heard howling.
There's always a logical explanation for that kind of thing.
What would you do if you saw a ghost?
They don't exist.
If I saw a ghost, I'd run away.
If I saw a ghost.
The ghost would run away.
Okay, Simon, go and make the coffee, but don't say I didn't warn you.
Did you two really hear that story?
Yeah. The others fancy some toast. Do you want some?
No, thanks. That was a great story.
Who said it was a story?
You know, the funny thing is,
What?
well, although I don't really believe in that sort of thing,
Yes.
I have sometimes heard a dog howling late at night. And I always thought it was coming from this house.
Hi. Biscuits. Matt,
Yes.
are you all right?
Yes. Yes. I'm fine.
Matt,
What?
if I were you, I wouldn't turn the light off in your bedroom tonight.
Very funny.
The next morning, Matt looked very tired for some reason. It was a typical Saturday night, but Matt was acting rather strangely.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
Are you alright, Matt?
Yes?
Are you expecting someone?
No. Well,
Aha. Come on, Matt, tell us.
What's been going on?
well, I was working today, and I'd just gone out for lunch. I was walking into Radcliffe Square when I saw a girl. She was doing a survey, you know, interviewing people on the street. Except she wasn't having much luck. Nobody wanted to stop. How long have you been standing here?
Since 10 o'clock.
And how many people have you interviewed?
4. My boss said he wanted me to interview at least 20.
You could interview me.
Okay. Right.
My name's Matt.
Actually, I don't need your name.
Oh,
But my name's Mel. So, Matt, do you live in Oxford?
yes, I do.
How long have you been living here?
Since 1997.
How many jobs have you had since then?
2.
And what do you do now?
I manage a computer games shop.
How long have you been working there?
Nearly 5 years.
What newspapers do you read?
She asked me about what newspapers I read. The Observer.
What food do you like?
The food I like. Anything.
What kind of clothes do you buy?
The clothes I buy. We got on really well.
Where do you go for entertainment?
The cinema, clubs.
Restaurants?
Not really. Although I quite often eat at Freud's.
I've been there a few times.
Really? I've never seen you there.
I'm going there tonight, actually.
Oh.
Okay, holidays. Which kind of holiday do you usually prefer?
I really like going abroad. I've been to Italy a few times. I wanted to ask her lots of questions, but she was asking me so many I didn't really get a chance.
Do you go to a gym?
Yeah. After the interview, I went to buy her a coffee, but when I got back, she'd gone.
Oh, Matt.
Is she going to be here tonight?
She said she was coming.
How romantic.
We haven't arranged anything.
Oh, I'm sure she'll come. Of course she'll come. Is that her?
Go over.
Go on, Matt.
Go for it.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
So you came then?
Yes.
Would you like a drink?
Hi. Sorry I'm late. Hi.
Hi.
This is Peter. Peter, this is...
Matt.
Nice to meet you. There's a table over there. Are you sitting with us, Matt?
No. Go ahead.
Bye then.
Yeah.
See you around.
Oh, poor Matt.
I'll be back in a minute. Who's that? My boyfriend.
What do you think? Sorry.
It's okay. Are you alright?
Not really. I feel a bit of an idiot.
Come on,
What?
let's go and get some fresh air. Where are they going?
I don't know.
It seems a shame to waste their drinks.
Oh, David.
Why does it always happen to me?
It happens to everyone.
What, even you?
Yes, Matt. Even me. Did you like her?
I thought she was really nice.
Don't worry. There'll be someone else.
Where?
Anywhere. Here? Matt?
Oh. You mean... you? Gosh. How long have you...
Quite a long time.
Me too. What are we going to tell the others?
We can worry about that later.
Yeah.
Who said there was no such thing as a happy ending?